Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Sport in Stingray with daytime running headlamp system, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black side roof rails, power heated mirrors, gloss black lower rear valance, manual 6-way driver and passenger seats, steering wheel mounted controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, a Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row remote USB port, a rear folding 60/40 seat, auxiliary 12-volt rear power outlet with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinosjD.com, stock number D5366.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.